Hi everyone! Today we are making Aloo ke samosas. Do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Share your thoughts about the video. Get notifications of our new videos. Please like and share our videos. So without wasting the time, let's start. Put a saucepan on the stove. Add 1/3 cup cooking oil. Turn on the flame. First, we need to mash the boiled potatoes. You can use fork or masher, which one you want. Add 1/2 small cup crushed green chilies. Now add chopped 1/2 cup carrots in it. You can add any vegetable. Add mashed potatoes. If you are enjoying our videos, please hit the subscription button with bell icon. And share them with your family, friends. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds, azira. Mix all the ingredients. And then it's done. Now place it to cool down. Add some coriander leaves. Now let's prepare samosa. Roll a flour ball and make thin roti. On the other hand, preheat cooking. Oil for frying samosa. And fry all the samosa. You can make these samosa and store in the refrigerator for a month. Ramadans are coming, you can make them. And on iftar time, only you will fry them. Look at the color of the samosa. Now repeat the process, roll them, and fry. My mouth is watering. They are looking so delicious. Like, follow, and share our channel. Friends, tasty samosas are ready to eat. Go make yours for your family. Now I'm going to eat all of them. We'll come with another exciting video for you guys. Take care of your loved ones. Bye-bye. Love you all.